and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super overdue video for you guys. The video I'm filming today is unboxing my 19th birthday present, even though I've already unboxed it months ago basically, and I have worn my birthday item so I can kind of review it for you. This is going to be more of a review than an unboxing, but I'm going to show you everything that came with what I purchased. And this time around, if you watched my unboxing my 18th birthday present video, that was a gift from my mom, but this year, or technically last year, it was a gift to myself, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. So for my birthday, I treated myself and I purchased a pair of Gucci slides that are not the basic ones, okay? These are not the basic ones because I was like, I'm extra, so my slides need to be extra, obviously. I can't take myself seriously. Okay, this is the box that the slides came in right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And I've kind of moved around the way things came wrapped, but this is what it looks like right now, just because I do store them in here. Besides the wrapping paper, we have two dust bags with that same kind of pattern that's on the box, and these are actually like really oversized. Like, do you see how big this is right here? So you get two of them. Hi. So here are the pair of slides that I purchased. They are super sparkly. I believe these are Swarovski on them, but I'm not exactly sure. These pair of slides are definitely overpriced, okay? I do not recommend paying this much for a slide, but I just like fell in love with the item and it's something I really loved. And even though I don't use them too often, just because okay, this is the thing about me, okay? I like nice things, I buy nice things for myself, but at the same time, I get kind of like, I don't know, embarrassed to wear what I buy because I don't like to draw too much attention to myself. So if I wear something like this, which I have, it stands out, obviously. And these sparkle so much. Later I'll dim the lights and show you what these look like, not under all this studio lighting. And they sparkle a ton in daylight, at night, all the time. These are sparkling. So I'm going to go ahead and show you them a little bit more up close. Keep in mind, I have worn them. These have the red and blue pattern rather than the green and red pattern. And it says Gucci along the slide. This is a very standard slide mold. It does have here by the toe to like hold the toes forward and keep them from sliding, but this is a very standard form that you'll see among a lot of designer slides. Gucci's lower end slides, the ones that don't have like fur or like really intricate designs, don't have that toe kind of stopper right there. I don't know what it's called, but those are just more flat, and I do actually prefer that style. I did try a pair on at Nordstrom just to see what my size would be for these slides. I got a 38, a European size 38 in these, and they fit me perfectly. I think that even though these rhinestones look beautiful and everything, that they could be a little bit better placed on the slide, if you know what I mean, because every time you walk you hear like a slight little click. And I'm going to put it up to the microphone and kind of shake it for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Do you hear that? Them kind of moving around. I hope that really picked up on the microphone. So I don't like that, so that every time you walk you're hearing like this click, 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 which is like the gems moving around the slightest bit. So I don't like that, but besides that, I think these are gorgeous. Yes, they're overpriced. I'm not even going to say the price because I would just like die on the inside to know how much I spent on these. And as some of you may know, I'm a figure skater, and figure skaters like everything sparkly. We rhinestone everything. And so this just kind of fit into the aesthetic of my life. So now I'm going to go ahead and dim the lights, and I'm going to show you what these look like when they sparkle. So I kind of turned off my ring light, and now I'm adding a flashlight to try to pick up the sparkle. It's really hard because I still have my other two studio lights on, but I hope you can see what I'm talking about when it comes to the sparkle. They have this oh, there we go, you can see it there. They sparkle so much, in the sunlight you definitely see the rainbows. I think that also gives a pretty nice perspective. You can really see the sparkle going off. So that was me unboxing and slightly reviewing my 19th birthday present, and I really hope you all enjoyed this video. and that it was helpful if you're looking to purchase these, or that you just enjoyed my content. Definitely leave a like down below, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!